एज अ बिगनर यही कुछ डेली एक्सरसाइजेस हैं जो आपको योगा स्टार्ट करना है, पर समझ नहीं आ रहा है हाउ यू विल स्टार्ट। हमेशा कंफ्यूजन रहता है एज अ बिगनर आपको कौन सी एक्सरसाइजेस करनी चाहिए और कौन सी नहीं करनी चाहिए। तो शुरू करते हैं योगा फॉर बिगनर्स, स्ट्रेचिंग एंड ऑल आसन्स। एज अ बिगनर यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद सूक्ष्म व्यायाम, यानी कि gentle movements of your joint. Let's start with gentle movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now up 2, opposite movement. 3, 4, and 5. Now inhale up, look up, and exhale down. Again, inhale up, flexion of neck, and exhale down, extension of your neck. Good. 2, continue. 4, 5, 6, 7. ऐसे ही हम लगातार इसको 10 टाइम्स कंटिन्यू करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट मूवमेंट. Exhale side, inhale middle, exhale side, and inhale middle. Turn your neck towards your right side and then left side. Continue with same movement. Now we will continue with some gentle movements of shoulder. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's stretch and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now lock your hands. Inhale up, expand your chest, and exhale down. Continue. Inhale up and exhale down with proper breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now stretch and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now exhale and down. After the shoulder movement, we will continue with leg movements or ankle movement. Leg up and ankle rotation 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Now flexion of your feet and extension. Flexion and extension. Continue with this movements. Now side kick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 to 20 times. Continue. Repeat this movement and hold for 10 seconds. And now change your side and again rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise 5 times. Now extension of your feet and flexion. Again 5 to 10 times. And again side kick. 1, 10 to 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And hold in this position. Now we continue with chair pose. Slightly bend your knees, hands up and move. 2, with exhale, down. Spine should be straight, hand should be straight. Lengthen your spine. Do not bend your spine like this. You have to straight your spine and movement. With every exhale, go down, slightly bend your knees. What is the correct position of your chair pose? First, shoulder apart distance. You have to take hands straight, slightly bend your knees first and push your hip back. Hand straight and movement. 2. Spine straight. Do not round your back. You have to straight your back, lengthen your spine and move. 2. 3. 4. Next asana, we will continue with Tadasana. Join your feet together, interlock your hands. दोनों hands को हम properly interlock करेंगे. दोनों hands को आप लेकर जाएंगे with inhale. Now tuck your toes, stretch your whole body up and then down. Again up and down. Continue. 3, 4, 5 and 6. We will continue with 10 to 15 times and then hold in this position and then release. 10-second holding करेंगे and release your hands, release your leg. Now we will continue with Triyak Tadasana. Shoulder apart distance. दोनों legs के बीच में रहेगा and now again interlock your hands up, look up, lengthen your spine, stretch your whole body up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now stretch your whole body towards your left side. Stretch करना है पूरा body को, side obliques पर पूरा stretch आएगा and again come up with inhale, look up and exhale, side. Continue. Inhale up and exhale, side. Again inhale up and exhale, side. 10 to 15 times इसी को continue करेंगे. Then hold in every position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and side bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then release your hand. As a beginner, यही कुछ daily exercises हैं जो आपको regular करनी है. As a beginner, you will start with सूक्ष्म व्यायाम and then continue with simple asanas. आपको तुरंत ही कोई advanced आसन में नहीं आना है. पहले आपको एक pace पर practice करना है to open up your body and then you will continue with advanced आसन. एक बात का आप हमेशा ध्यान दें, जितना ज़रूरी हमारे लिए कोई भी एक्सरसाइज है उतना ही ज़रूरी हमारे लिए ब्रीदिंग भी है. इसीलिए जब भी आप अपनी प्रैक्टिस करें तो उसमें आप ब्रीदिंग को ज़रूर इंक्लूड करें. 15 मिनट्स आप प्रॉपर ब्रीदिंग को ज़रूर दें एंड 15 to 20 मिनट्स आप ये सारी एक्टिविटी, कोई भी एक्सरसाइज और कोई भी आसन आप इजीली कर सकते हैं.